between us, our two galaxies are actually moving closer to each other. Imagine Terrans and Xandarians forever connected, though we have in fact been related from the start, born of the same stardust at the dawn of time. There is still so much for us to discover together as you journey through our Wonders of Xandar. I am World Mind. Welcome.
Medical biodomes, transportation networks, and more. All designed to provide our citizens
creating an impressive urban skyline. Over the course of our year, Xandar experiences periods of total sunlight, shifting to periods of total darkness. During the light cycle, our tree of suns appear close together in the sky, creating spectacular sunsets and sunrises. The light casts moving shadows across the city, something Xandar is famous for. As the capital of the Nova Empire, Xandar is home to over 12 billion citizens. Constructed on a vast system of atolls, our city features inspired by the many cultures and species that have traveled across the
but they also reflect our strength in battle.
And Xandar, fortunately, he's plant-based, so we grew him back. And they grow up so fast, especially in water.
It would appear so. So back to my original question, whose idea was it to save Xandar?
It was Quill's. He had this half-baked plan, and we saved his butt. End of story. Okay, it was 3/4 baked. But we were all heroes that day.
I am Groot.
I'll be back with more of the Guardians in a moment.
And the Guardians of the Galaxy?
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the cosmic generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people, so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the Wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on Someone wants to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. It'll work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Get everyone in. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Interior Mark, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot?
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans from beyond.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Long time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean that's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's Kate. Where's this kid?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. Come on now. Because this plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed this great visit with us. Over and out.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then they're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
It was useless to follow me.
who's gonna stop rock and roll from existing?
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
You're all heroes.
So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Or do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That's my daughter's neighbor.